We've had a bit of a tidy up, as you can see, and we've now got the front axle in off the S80. Obviously give it a good cleaning up, but she's in good shape. Plenty of grease. Well done, Philip, previous owner. Didn't appear to be a stranger to the grease gun, did our Philip, which is a really good thing. End stop's pretty good shape. Bit of surface rust on it. I'm going to knock these plates off. Some plates there for the springs, a tapered spring. I've used the one-arm crane there to lift him up with the snap-on wire rope sling. The days of lifting these up single-handed are long gone for me, I'm afraid. Lifting it on the crane makes light work of it, but it also gives us an opportunity to have a look at a few things. We can see that. You can see in there there's a taper. That one probably shows it better, does it? Okay, this is one of the spring saddle pads, and as you can see there is a taper in that. This backside is slightly thinner. Obviously we're going to have to make sure we put them in the right way around, and talking of putting the axle in the right way around, I always give them a chisel mark. Normally I work to the front webbing, having a couple of studs in it for the manufacturer's label. There are none on this, so just to be on the safe side we've stamped him. So like I say, you can see there's plenty of grease evident on it. We just need to get cleaned up, and this really is a clean up and paint up job. We'll get them pads out, so next time you see this, it should be red and in the back of the van with a bit of luck. Yeah, it's worked really well, this. All that surface rust is wire brushed straight off with the angle grinder. It's going to, be a really good surface. That we're going to give it some etch primer, and then straight on with the colour. Degreased it with a bit of Mr. Muscle, because that's all it really needs. No point wasting fancy degreaser on that. And the etch primer will cut through anything that's left behind residue wise. That's gone really well. I'm pleased with that. We'll get some paint on it. Etch primer's on. It's gone on really well. Smells lovely, that etch primer. But yeah, really pleased with that. There should be a few snotters in it because I've really ladled that on, because obviously it's the front axle. It's going to get covered in cow shit and rock salt, because it will be going out in the winter months as well, because I pay my road tax all year round. I should use it all year round. So yeah, because I've put so much on, I'm going to give this a couple of 3 hours to properly harden off, and we'll have that red before bed, I think. Be a good job done that. Well, she's most definitely red now. That's gone on really well. Got a lovely shine to it. You'll notice that it's quite a rough finish underneath the paintwork, and that's because we didn't bother with a high build primer and flatten it back. You're not going to see it only from a distance, and with a bit of luck you'll only see it then when you've got a pint in your hand stood on a rally field somewhere. But I'm really pleased with that. We're going to get that taken out of the way and give us some more room in the shed here, and get on with the next thing. I think we might have a look at this brake next. We've got that brake assembly to pull down and get these back plates done. It's something good to get off the deck and get in storage. Get in the van.